The 2018 Mercedes GLE. The GLE comes with the full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, keyless start, floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.